Where's the camera? There? Is that the camera? Or is that the camera? Anyways, hi guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I mean, we'll see. This might be the start of my YouTube career. This might be the rebirth of my YouTube channel. So, let me put my 50,000 pieces of jewelry on while I talk to you about what I have planned for this channel. All I know is that I personally like watching the everyday lives of people. Like I still love watching vlogs, and I don't like all this like putting people into generations and stuff, but I guess as a millennial, like I grew up, I mean I didn't grow up, I was already a full adult when like YouTube happened. I'm not like a full adult, but I was like, you know, I wasn't a child anymore. Long form content is just, oh my god, I can't get this earring in for the life of me. Let me concentrate for a second. Okay. And yeah, I just love watching YouTube, like watching long form content. I just like focusing on one person and just like seeing what their everyday is like. I know that sounds does that sound kind of creepy? I guess, but that's like what vlogs are. Like I want to make content that I like watching myself, that I enjoy watching. And yeah, that is long form content. So I decided to give it another try. I mean, we'll see, maybe this is gonna be my one and only vlog, who knows? But I was just thinking on like taking you guys through my like through our everyday life. I mean, I don't know. And also what I thought was interesting is, as we are in this process of moving to America and stuff, to bring you guys along with us. So yeah, if you're interested in that kind of stuff, I mean, that's not gonna happen immediately. We all need to take a chill pill right now. It will just, you know, I'll ease you and me both into this new journey. If you're interested in that kind of stuff, then I would love to have you on that journey with me. Thank you already for watching this right now. You're the best. I love you. And yeah, now I'm hungry, so let's have some lunch. So for lunch, I'm actually a meal prep queen, and I already prepared my lunch yesterday. And on today's menu is chicken, peas, and rice with some teriyaki sauce. So I'm just gonna put that in the microwave and enjoy it. Mix it up a little bit. So easy, but slaps every time. Lunch was successfully devoured, but now I need a dessert. I always need a dessert after, especially after lunch for some reason, I don't know. So I'm gonna have some dessert cereal, like, you know, like protein cereal without like added sugar and anything. 95% less sugar and 12 grams of protein per serving. And I like to mix these, cinnamon and chocolate. So yeah, I'm gonna make myself a portion of this, and I'm gonna use the recommended portion size. And I'm using some almond milk. Oh, guys, check out this crunch. That's pretty crunchy. Okay guys, I'm gonna do my hair. I desperately need to go to the hairdresser. Oh, but I'm gonna style it and hope for the best. I am not a pro at doing hair at all. There is heat protectant in my hair, for if you were wondering. And I'm just gonna do it with my straightener because I feel like the curls last longer and it's also the fastest. So I'll see you when I'm done with this head of hair. Looks better the second day anyways. Whatever it looks like, we're leaving it. Okay guys, I put some makeup on. I filmed some, oh my god, it's so loud. Wait a second. That's better. So, I put some makeup on. I filmed some videos. I still have to edit 2, yeah. But I actually didn't take a full hour for my lunch break, so I think I'm gonna go on a quick walk to get some vitamin D because today is such a nice day. Oh my god, I didn't know it would be this hot. Holy shit. Good thing I brought some water, guys, because it's way warmer out here than I anticipated. So this is a lifesaver. Okay guys, so I'm done with work. I edited 2 more videos and now it's actually about to be 6 o'clock. And in Europe, there is the European Football Championship going on. And today, the Netherlands are playing against Austria. And in case you didn't know, I'm half Dutch. My mom is fully Dutch, born and raised in the Netherlands. So of course, I'm gonna watch it and cheer the Dutch team on.
Baby, I bought into the fantasy with you. You sold me a better dreams and I lay with you. Now I sit here and I wish that I was thinking clearer. How could I take your lies for the truth? Thinking the one was you. How did we fall into the same mistakes? Bring us back to where we started. I was all in, but your love was fake. There's a hole where the heart is. I don't know where your heart is. There's a hole where the heart is.
Okay guys, it's, I have pressure on my ears. Ooh. It's a new day. Oh, what the hell is that? Anyways, I work from home today. I just finished this makeup look. Also guys, I got a new perfume, Atkinson's Oud Save the Queen. I have a few other fragrances from them, but I've never gotten this one, even though this is like one of their best sellers, I think. And it smells so good. Some of you will say it's not a summer scent, but I don't care about summer scents. I just, there has to be like cherry in it. It smells like a cherry whiskey a little bit. That's the kind of scents that I'm into, are like really warm, like romantic, heavy scents that feel like a warm hug. That's me. I'm not floral, I'm not fresh. I'm very like spicy. I like spicy scents. There has to be a lot of like flavor profile, as if I'm talking about a food, but there has to be like a bunch of, you know, spices in there, and then that's a scent that I love, like cinnamon, cardamom, I don't know, all of those, pepper, whatever. Love it. This is very good. I'm very happy with this one. my god, I look like a raccoon. I'm craving a little snack, so I'm gonna make myself some skyr or Greek yogurt. I take skyr today. And I mix in some vanilla flavoring, and then I put almonds and raisins in it. Yes, I like raisins. I'm not a picky eater at all. I basically like everything. And then I top it with some almond butter, almond mousse. So yeah, let me show you.
Stuart, what is a perch? Yes. City planning.
That's fucking enough. Quit it.
So I just came out of the shower and got ready for bedtime. So if I look a little tired, that's why. But I wanted to show you guys what I got today at the drugstore. Okay, at the drugstore. I didn't even know that a drugstore has these kind of things. Okay, so I went to Rossmann. That's what the drugstore is called. And look. So first up, for $2.99 each. $2.99. Look at these cute bowls. And this one. So like, as you can see, they're a little, does the camera pick it up? Because this one is way darker in real life, way darker. I feel like you can't even tell, but this one is definitely darker. And then for $5.99, guys, I feel like the camera doesn't even pick up how beautiful this vase is. If you would buy this at like a Zara home or something, this would probably cost like 30 euros. You know what I mean? And I can put like my milk in it when I bake stuff. Or, you know, I can just put flowers in it if I'm not using it for liquids. So yeah, I just wanted to show you that really quickly. Those are the three things that I picked up at the drugstore today. I bet it's gonna taste exactly like it.
I don't know.
Oh, we should have gotten cones too.
I mean, I thought about that, but I was like, it's just like, that's really not gonna live up to it. So like,
Hi guys, sorry I didn't vlog anything today, but Saturday's always pretty busy. We went grocery shopping and now we're gonna go home and make dinner and watch the Germany game.
Yeah, bro.
Alle Kämpfer, die schon bereit sind, bitten sich auf.
Okay guys, I think I'm gonna end my first ever vlog here. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you liked spending the week with us because I try to vlog. Yeah, I vlog every single day since Monday. So if you guys like it, I would try to do weekly vlogs, you know, from like Monday to Sunday and then upload them on a Monday. So yeah, if you guys liked it, and I can't believe I'm going to say this, like and subscribe. Yeah, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment telling me how you guys liked the vlog and if you would be interested in seeing more of us in the future. So yeah, we're gonna just chill on the couch now, eat some more apple fritter bread, and I think we're gonna watch Shrek 2. And yeah, I think that's a pretty sweet way to end the week. Or maybe some ice cream and Shrek 2. Can't get better than that. So yeah, see you guys next time. I should do what I always do, right?